So with any cold water rescue or any rescue in water, certainly in this country, we're in England, so yeah, water never gets particularly warm over here. You're going to want a good pair of gloves. We've been recommended these, which are the 2mm rescue gloves by Northern Diver, and yeah, again, first glances, yeah, I quite like the look of them. They look smart. The stitching all looks nice and strong, and on the palm side here you've got a reinforced section through the middle there, so if you're using ropes, that's where it's going to burn through, and yeah, they look nice and sturdy. It's I suppose that's what you call a faux leather, faux suede sort of thing, so it should give you decent grip. On the back here you've got the hook and eye, I think they call this nowadays, so you're not using the trade name. Got to keep that nice and tight. Also, nice helpful little thing there, you've got a tooth pull, so you can pull these up using your teeth if you need to. And let's face it, they are quite snug. I've got quite big hands, but I've gone for a large size glove, and that does fit very nicely. With the added Velcro, yeah, I've said it now, with the added fastening on the top there, they feel very secure and tight. One thing I will say though, how dexterous are they? Yeah. So if I need to use anything, they're not too bad without buckles. So there's no problem trying to fasten the buckle or release the buckle with these on. Reaching for the toggle. Yeah. So I'm not losing any dexterity in those at all. Like I say, they're 2mm neoprene on the back, and this faux leather, faux suede on the front. Fitment is very nice, very tight, and I can honestly feel everything that I'm doing. So yeah, excellent. 5 out of 5 I'd say for those. Again, once been on deployment and I've used them in anger, I'll do another review to let you know how this kit's keeping up, holding up under the strain.